Across our planet, landscapes bear the scars of human activity. Deforestation leaves gaping wounds in the Earth's green mantle, making lands vulnerable to erosion, desertification, and flooding. Yet amidst these challenges, hope emerges. A quiet revolution in reforestation is taking place, inspired by nature's resilience. Enter the BioDrone, a fusion of robotics, AI, and ecological understanding. This invention offers hope for restoring damaged ecosystems. By harnessing cutting-edge technology, we can restore degraded lands on an unimaginable scale. Join us on a journey into the heart of technological innovation, where the seeds of a greener future are being sown. At the heart of the BioDrone lies a sophisticated interplay of engineering and ecological understanding. The drone platform, crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, boasts exceptional stability and maneuverability. Equipped with advanced GPS and obstacle avoidance systems, it accesses remote locations. The seed deployment mechanism is a marvel of precision engineering. Biodegradable seed pods crafted from organic materials safeguard the precious cargo within. The AI, acting as the brain, analyzes data from onboard sensors to map topography, soil composition, and moisture levels. This information helps identify optimal planting locations, ensuring each seed has the highest probability of growth. The BioDrone's true genius lies in its artificial intelligence. The BioDrone's reforestation journey begins with meticulous planning and data analysis. A comprehensive site assessment creates a high-resolution 3D map of the target area. The AI algorithms plan the flight path and seed deployment strategy, considering factors like wind speed and sun exposure. Technicians load biodegradable seed pods into the drone's deployment system. The BioDrone lifts off silently, powered by renewable energy sources. Guided by its AI pilot, it releases seed pods at designated locations. As the pods descend, their shells break down, allowing seeds to contact the soil. Post-planting monitoring assesses the success of the reforestation effort. The drone returns periodically to monitor seedling growth and soil conditions. This data provides valuable insights, allowing for adjustments if necessary. The BioDrone's impact extends far beyond planting trees. It offers a scalable and sustainable solution to environmental conservation. By accelerating reforestation, the BioDrone helps combat climate change. Trees absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. Restoring landscapes prevents soil erosion, reduces flooding risk, and improves water quality. Re-establishing forests creates habitats for wildlife, promoting biodiversity. The technology also generates economic growth in rural communities and empowers indigenous communities. The BioDrone is a symbol of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and a powerful tool for a sustainable future.